Here's the Toyota RAV4, and if you're working on the left side, turn the wheels all the way to the right. If you're working on the right side, turn all wheels all the way to the left, because we have to get to access to the bulb from behind here. We have to pull the wheel liner back, and for that you will need to get a small flathead screwdriver. There are two clips. The first one is up over here. Grab the screwdriver, pull the middle part out, and then just get the entire clip off. I'm missing the second clip, but I'll show you where it goes. 1 and 2, the two holes right over there. Now once you peel this wheel liner back, you get access to the bulb. Just grab the bulb, and first thing we have to do is get the electrical connector off. You can't just get it off without taking the connector off. So press down there, get the connector off. Now grab the bulb, twist to the left, and it's loose, and you can get it right out. The bulb number is 816. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then put it back in there. Once it's sitting in flush like this, just twist your right to lock it. And now let's just go ahead, get the electrical connector back onto the bulb. It only goes on in one way, so slide it on and click it to secure it in place. Now let's put the wheel liner back in place. Again, I'm missing the second clip, so I'm just going to be able to show you on the first clip how to put it back in. Just get it back there, put it through both the holes, push the middle part in to secure it, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.